Hey, Mr. Munchkins Mans, let's play Squid Game. I bet you will lose, because you are a loser. Ha ha ha.
Oh, bring it on. Here I am, player 149. I am so gonna wins. You better watch out for me. Stay still, everyone. Hey, you're trying to kill me. Stop. I know that was you, Mr. Evil's Munchkins Mans. You killed me.
No, it wasn't me. Let me show you who's boss. It's me, player 230. Try beating me. Ha 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 ha. Red light, green light. Red light, green light. Oh, shut up. Yes, bro, I did it. Dalgona time. Oh my god, they gave me an umbrella, whoever did this. I will find you. Ha ha ha, I did it. I did it.